Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent WhatsApp Web from accessing your clipboard on your PC after the latest update. This is an important step if you care about keeping your copy text, passwords, or personal data fully private while using WhatsApp on your browser. Recently, browsers added new permission controls that let websites request access to your clipboard. This clipboard access allows sites to read whatever you've copied on your device, something that's useful for convenience but not always ideal for privacy. WhatsApp Web can sometimes use this permission to check for copy text like phone numbers or verification codes. So taking control of this setting helps ensure your data stays with you. Here's exactly how you can block WhatsApp Web from accessing your clipboard. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. Once the page is loaded, look toward the address bar at the top of your screen. Right next to the web address, you'll see a small icon, usually shaped like a lock. Click on it. From the small menu that appears, select View Site Information. This will open a list of site-related options and permissions. Now, find and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you reach the Permissions section. Here, click on More Settings Permissions to expand the full list of permission options. Look for Clipboard on the list. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it with options like Allow, Ask, and Block. Choose the Block option. Once you select this, WhatsApp Web will no longer be able to access anything you copy to your clipboard. That's it. You've successfully disabled clipboard access for WhatsApp Web. It's a simple fix, but it adds an extra layer of security every time you use WhatsApp in your browser. If you found this helpful, take a moment to secure other websites in the same way so you stay in full control of your information. Thanks for watching.